Okay, we are sorry, but there is some technical error. We will solve it, inshallah, soon, within 5 minutes, inshallah. Thank you. Okay. Sorry. We'll join Dr. Sana and we'll continue the topic of heat stroke. Yes.
Okay. Again, for the symptoms that we can recognize this person has a heat stroke, can be confusion, altered or changing mental status, slurred speech, or you can say slow or difficulty understanding the speech, can be loss of consciousness, hot, dry skin, or even profuse sweating, seizures, very high body temperature, and it can be fatal if treatment delayed. Okay, now after recognize this is a heat stroke, what's the treatment or management for this condition? Seek medical advice in primary care if it is near to you, or you can call 997 or 937 for medical care. While calling 997, move to the shaded call area and remove outer clothing. And if you can reach your home, you can cool your body quickly by cold water or ice bath if possible. Wet the skin, place cold wet clothes on the skin, soak clothing with cold water. This is the most important treatment and management for the heat stroke. Now our question. If you see person with the heat stroke shivering after applying cold water, what will you do? First, nothing, because normal response after applying ice water. Second, seek medical advice. Third, put more ice because shivering helping reduce temperature. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Sana. We'll move now to the third presentation by Dr. Jafar, dermatologist. He will talk about monkey chickenpox outbreak.
Monkeypox outbreak. First, we about the definition. What is the monkeypox? It is a viral zoonosis. What is the viral zoonosis? It is a disease transmitted from animal to human. The name is why monkeypox because the first case is discovered in 1958 on monkeys for laboratory research in Denmark. And the box, it is Latin word mean spotted skin, and skin that has leave mark on the skin. The first human case discovered in 1970 on Democratic Republic of Congo. From that year, for many years, it's considered a disease of animals with occasional transmission to human. The causative agent, monkeypox virus, the biggest virus known to affect the animal
Cannot hear.
عيد على البطيء.
يلا. Excuse me, is the voice clear?
Is the voice clear now?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah, we want to talk about monkeypox virus or outbreak. The monkeypox, it is zoonosis. It is a viral zoonosis. The zoonosis is mean that the disease that's transmitted from animal to human. It is the name is combination of two words, monkey and pox. The pox is Latin word mean spotted skin, and the monkey because it's the first case discovered in laboratory monkeys in Denmark in 58 years. The first human case discovered in the 9-month-old child in the Democratic Republic of Congo in Africa in the 1970. From this year until 2003, it is endemic disease in 11 countries in Africa and considers animal disease with occasional transmission to human. The causative agent is the virus box, the monkeypox virus. It is a type of viruses that infect the animals, belong to the orthopox virus genus. It is the biggest DNA double-stranded virus. It is the only virus can be seen by light microscopy because large size, and after it is transmitted from, as we said, from animal to human. By scratch, by handling the infected animals also, or by consumption of the undercooked meat. Some animals, the animals that is known until now infected by the virus, more than 10 animals, rodents and monkeys. It is the first case reported outside Africa was in 2003 in USA. There is outbreak happened after importation of some animals from the Congo to America. For many years, it is considered animal disorders with occasional transmission to humans. After that, it is appeared in some countries, and that is related for travels from the endemic countries to the outside Africa. The disease, after it is entered the body, what happened is it is replicate inside the cells. We call this the incubation period. It is usually from 60 days to 13 days, but can be extended from 5 days to 21 days. After that, what happens, develop we call the infusion period, characterized by fever, headache, muscle pain, loss of energy, and lymphadenopathy. After that, the skin rash appear. After that, the skin rash appear first on the face and disseminate to other body parts. It is characterized by stages started as red macule, then pimples, and after that pus, and after that resolve for crust and leaf mark, what we call the scarring. It takes this period from 1 week to 4 weeks. During this period, what we call is an infection period. The virus can be transmitted to the other's contacts by touching the skin or by sometimes by handling some materials by bed sheets or linens that used for the patient, or by they said by large droplets from the respiratory tract. The last outbreaks that happened this year, as we said, this figure, it is first case reported in United Kingdom and at the 6th of May. After that, and consider this is the index case because the genetic type of the virus is the same in all patients in Spain and other countries. We said this in the 7th of June, about 1,088 cases reported in 29 countries. 2 days ago, this number increased to 4,357 in 43 countries. There is 3 Arab countries appear or recorded cases, confirmed cases in Emirates and in Lebanon and Morocco.
The questions?
This is the questions. What are the complications of monkeypox? Lyme